To start bQuery-Tool, I have to go to File, Run Program, and here at the session, tccom to bqt 3.5. 3.5 is the number of the version, which is 3.5. And I hit on OK. And here it opens the graphic for the bQuery-Tool. Now let's build a new query. Let's click on Query, New, and name it nazdaq. And OK. Now here it builds us a new query. Now let's add items from the item, fields from the item table. This is the item table. This is the item field. Let's add it. Let's add a description for it. Now let's say that we want to add another table to make a link between two tables. Let's search for another table. Let's search for purchase order lines, for example. So purchase order, and click on tab, and it shows us what is purchase order. We'll take purchase order lines, and here let's add the purchase order. But before that, what it asks us to do is have a link between them. What is a link? Well, the link is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on the common field between them. For example, this is the purchase order lines. The common table, the common field is the item. Let's take this item, and from the items here, the common field is also the item. And add. Now let's let's just for the fun, to be more interesting, let's add the price. This is the price. And order quantity. The order quantity. Now the thing here that we can play with the how it's organized. Let's reorganize how they look like. Let's say that we want the price to be the last, so we just put it in down here, or the purchase order or the order quantity to be before. So order quantity, price, let's put it up, and print results. Now here for each field, okay, the item description, price. For each field, you can specify a range of each value of the array to be visible in the output result. Like for the item from where to where, the price from what to what, the purchase order, and so on and so on. Let's continue. And here we'll pick up the device. We can choose the products, our products, for example, B2N or image. We'll just use here display, D for display, and continue. Now here, as you can see, this is the item. It's the same, it's going the same time. The items, the description, the price, the order, purchase order, and the order quantity. As it's organized here, it will be organized the same as here. And notice that the item and descriptions are from the item table, while the price, purchase order, and order quantity are from the purchase order lines. Now, how the link works, in the purchase order lines, okay, there's also an item. This item is the same as this one, so it will show us in the same row. In this tutorial, we will explain more on the product and how to use it.